So Ed, what's wrong with this motor here?
Got two broken piston rods, no piston rings, bad reed valves, and a bad crank.
There's all the parts down there, broke off.
A couple of them.
Where'd this motor come from, Ed?
It's come from the auction, didn't it?
Yeah.
That's a good shot.
Broken piston rod. Piston stuck in the cylinder head.
Yeah. That kind of sums it all up, you know.
So this motor was running even though all this stuff was broken?
Yeah, well, it was put back together so that it would turn over and seem like it worked. It just wouldn't build in the air.
So Ed, don't pistons usually have piston rings on them?
Yeah, usually if they work.